I thought I will make a short video about how to make big hole with a small drill, or how to make a kind of specific L-shape hole. So if you're bending anything to get a final shape like this one, before you start bending it, I believe it's best just to make your holes in the first place, because it's much more easy to work on the table with things like that rather with things like that. I draw a circle already, and the first thing I'm going to do is just to mark my points where I'm going to drill using this little small drill I have. Making starting points, it's always a good idea, because the drill you're using, it's not gonna slide around, it's just gonna drill the hole exactly where you're expecting it to be. Up. I've got my points marked, and now let's go. We've got quite a few holes drilled right now, and what I need to do right now is just to use a chisel, would be the best, but I don't have one. So I'm going simply abuse this little screwdriver. I already did it in the past and it did well, so the idea is to use the chisel or a screwdriver or anything sharp object just to cut those little leftovers in between your holes. Yeah, let's go for it. I think I'm gonna use plywood for it. Okay. Here we go. It's not the most beautiful hole in the world, but we can use a file and just make it beautiful again. Alright, we're getting somewhere. I kind of like the shape, but it's still not round as much as I would like to. And I've got two files. One is too big for it and one is too small. So the trick is, I'm going to use this pen with a sanding paper on it. Okay, and here we go. So the other hole I'm going to make is like this one, and the easiest way probably would be to do it with some kind of a CNC router or just hand router, but I don't have one. So basically what I have done with this one, I just drilled all the holes all around, then cut them out, and I used a little file just to clear it out. And yeah, that's the purpose of it. Up. Here we go. Let's go for it. Since I don't need another flight recorder box right now, I'm gonna show you an example on just piece of aluminum I have around. Okay, so I have my L shape on it. I'm gonna make points for drilling, just like I did last time. 1, 2, and 8. This will do. Okay, I think drill number 4 would be too big for this, so let's use drill number 3. Okay. So basically I've got the drilling zone, and now there are two ways of doing it. One would be like I did last time, basically just cutting it out. But there is another one, and this one is tricky. You may actually destroy your drill this way. So just go very easy and go like this and like this. It's very easy to break the drill this way, so you need to be careful, and it's like more likely for wood or aluminium, not like heavy steel jobs. But as you can see, I'm slowly cutting it through, and let's go another one. I missed one hole just in the corner. That would be the best to have one. But yeah, basically I need a file. So here we go. L shape, or it could be a cross or a box or whatever you need. So yeah, that's it. Take care guys, thank you for watching and see you around.